Okay, welcome back, guys. So let's talk about states and React. So, what are states? So, remember I said React can React renders information to the page without refreshing. Yeah. So let's say I want to like you don't want to always refresh your browser to render new data to the user. So, well, with states in React, you can fetch like make a server call, get data from the server, and render them to your user without refreshing the page. Sounds cool, yeah? So that's how states work. So with states you can update the DOM without refreshing. So let's see how it works. So for the course of this lesson and this course, we'll be working mainly on function-based components. So which means we'll be using React to and not the normal class base and the old React hook. So this is a modern React. So I'm going to drop a link to a full React course that has to do with the function based and component based. So you can follow up and from time to time we're going to review them together. So what are states? So how do you write state in React? So let's say the first thing is to declare constant. So this is a constant. And so if you're familiar with the structure in React, so let's say we have hello, hello. I will need to set hello. Don't worry, I'll explain this in a bit. Set hello equals to state. So you automatically import use state from React for you, and in the function you set in the default value, which I want it to be hello React. Okay, so to make this clear, I'm going to take out these guys and yeah, so I have hello and set hello. So let me explain what's happening here. So first, we're importing use state from the React library. So this is a React hook. So we import use states from the React library. Then we'll now destructure into things. Hello, which is a constant, and set hello. So this is a function that updates the state. So let's see this in action. So instead of this, we're going to be like, so this hello just displays what the state holds. So the default in this use state, you set the default, which is hello react. So if we take this off and go this way, so remember with strings, if it's a string, you just wrap it in a string. But since this is a JavaScript code, we have to put it in a curly bracket. So title, which is hello. So if I should open up, you see we still have hello react because we're displaying the default value of our state. So maybe that's clear. Okay, so let's see how do we update the state. So let's write a function to update the state. So const handle update. So this function just handle the updates for us. Update should be equals to. So what basically? So I'm using the arrow function. So I I assume you guys are comfortable with ES6. So what we're just doing is we're trying to update this state. So we say set hello world. So you're calling this function. I told you this function updates the state with anything you pass within it. So when I'm saying update the states to goodbye React. Yeah. And yeah. So how do we call this function? So all you need to do is come here and then and click. You'll be like, let's just create a div. So we'll create a div that wraps this guy, and the div wraps this guy. I'll be like,